gonna be my kitchen scene. Right. Hello guys, and welcome to a little house tour before our demolition starts for our renovation. So back in July 2024, we decided to renovate our house prior to our wedding. And I'll be honest, I've accumulated a lot of videos over time and I'm really not happy with the way that it's been turning out. So I'm just doing a little voiceover just while I show you through our old house before we renovated. We actually kept this bathroom. We've extended this bedroom, which you will shortly see, but oh my gosh, it was actually such a freaking mess and such chaos to try and move out of this place, put stuff in the bin. As you can see, there's still a bit of stuff everywhere. It's been a big journey. Like I said, we started this in July 2024 and it is currently the 1st of April. So as you can see, it looks like it's going to be a huge renovation. And let me tell you, it absolutely was. And yeah, it was a monster. Just like start. Oh.
You're using that one. Keep that. Break that under one.
Right. That's a serious fucking plant. Oh. And just like that, the whole back half of the house was gone. Like, the whole back half of the house completely demolished. We decided to keep the front 2 bedrooms and the first bathroom. The rest of it is history. It's out of there. So this was, yeah, me cracking my back. Love that. So yes, here is the old front door. And as you will see soon, this is going to be the new front door. Enjoy some footage and I'll cut back to you soon. Hello!
For your chance to win $10,000 in Prezi cards. T's and C's apply. Entries close January 13, 2025.
Dining, living, kitchen, bathroom, Now, I can't exactly remember when about this was. However, you can see we have now got some walls, and this is what I mean by I'm not quite happy with some of the footage that I got because I was unable to be there while people were doing work. My dad did actually do this brickwork, so shout out to my dad for doing the brickwork. He's put up our walls in our house, and then we had to wait for some steel beams and some other bits and pieces, but we've now got a roof. See what I mean? You can't see that anything has been done, but you can see we've got a roof. It's all happening, and oh my gosh, it looks ginormous with our big pitched roof. And wait till you see some of the stuff. Like, wait till you see it now with it being painted. Oh my god, I can't wait to do the reveal for you. It's gonna be my kitchen scene. So this was our front door, which has now been bricked up. There's still the door there, but it's all been bricked up. And this is currently the storage room of everyone's tools and stuff. So nothing's been changed to this room and nothing will be changed. However, this is where my old desk and my makeup mirror and stuff were, but I've got other plans. I got new plans. Also, if it's loud, Natsu's just vacuuming, so I apologize. But this is the 3rd bedroom and we've done some extensions here. And what I'm thinking of doing, this is my vision. So as you walk in, I'm thinking of getting a nice chair and something for the corner. A chair or like a nice little sofa type vibe. And then I'm going to have a stand desk across here with my little walking pad underneath. Nice natural light this way. So then I can film my YouTube videos. YouTube videos in nice natural light. Ooh.
And here is where I will put my makeup mirror and my drawers, and maybe just an extra little cabinet here. And what we're planning on doing with this awkward space, it was supposed to be a lot bigger so it could be like a nice cupboard. However, I think we're just going to be putting some open shelving in there. And then this is the light well. So this is the second bathroom that we've made, but this is the light well, and I think we're going to put some greenery in her, make her a little bit more vibey. But otherwise, that's my idea for this space. So I really do want to make this space like a nice little content area and just keep a nice plain simple background and just bring some good vibes and just have like a nice new little space. Plan with the side of the house and also the front of the house and the driveway. We're actually getting the driveway demoed all the way to the front now, and then we're going to get a concrete slab poured all here, all the way down the back and also out the back, and then it will continue all along here, and then we'll step down into the backyard where the grass is.
I got a PowerPoint on my side of the bed. Yay!
It's funny.
I got aircon. That's above Natsu's side, so that's good for me. Oh yeah.
I'm actually glad.
Concrete done. Drip rock started. In the bath. So as you can see, we are now starting to make some serious progress. We've got the gyprock on the walls, we've had our slab poured out the back and also down the side. There's just some pipes to be cut to size. I can't believe how freaking tall our ceilings are. Like, oh my god. It doesn't do it justice on the camera, but it's big. The render has now been done. Our front door is on, and as you can see, we also have our floorboards down as well. Natsu's hiding on the ladder, lol. But here is a little update. We have got our front door all bricked up, and that is going to be a nice cupboard. We have now got some stuff, a lot of stuff in the bedroom, but the bath actually, let me tell you, the bath was incorrect. So they actually delivered the wrong bath, and we had to get the right bath delivered, so they had to rip the bath out before putting the other one in.
Yeah, I'll put this on it today.
So what you gonna do?
Along here.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to return it there.
Yeah.
And I'm going to return it there.
Excellent. So we have got our joinery in and are just waiting for the stone benches and backdrops to go in. Here's me dancing in my soon-to-be kitchen, but here is the entryway. And before I keep going and showing you just pans of the house and people doing some stuff now that it's the back end, all the last minute touches are going in, I think I'm going to pretty much leave this video here and I will show you a full reveal, all the styling and everything, the move and all of that sort of jazz coming up. So thank you for watching, and I shall see you guys in my new house.